Welcome back. Today, we are practicing something simple, coming back to the breath. You do not need to breathe in a special way. You do not need to clear your mind. You do not need to make yourself feel calm. You are only being invited to notice your breath and return to it gently. Take another slow, deep breath in, hold at the top, and then breathe out slowly. Notice the breath as it is. Maybe it feels deep, maybe it feels shallow, maybe it feels uneven, maybe it feels hard to notice at first. That is all okay. There is no perfect breath here. There is only this breath and only this moment. Slowly breathe in through your nose, hold at the top, breathe out through your mouth. Let your attention rest softly on the feeling of breathing. The air coming in, the air going out. You might notice the rise of your chest. You might notice the gentle movement in your body. You might simply notice that you are here breathing. That is enough. And if your mind wanders, that is okay too. If thoughts pull you away, if feelings rise up, if your attention drifts into plans, worries, or noise, you are not doing it wrong. This is the practice. Noticing and returning to your breath. So when you are ready, come back again to the breath, breathing in slowly, in through the nose, holding at the top, out through your mouth. There's no judgment, no pressure, just a gentle return. Take a moment and quietly say to yourself, this breath is here for me. I can return gently. I do not need to force calm. I only need to come back to take one more slow breath in, hold it at the top, and let it go. As you move through your day, friends, carry this with you. When life feels busy, I can come back to my breath. When my mind wanders, I can return with kindness. One breath at a time is enough. And when you're ready, friends, open your eyes, wiggle your hands and toes, and welcome back to Disney World.